Hello, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet or how to make this snake plant Sansevieria Cylindrica type of crochet, and this is very easy to make. You just need to repeat all these stitches. I use 3.5mm crochet hook and with this type of yarn. Okay, if you want to have the full playlist of Crochet Plant Amigurumi, I will give you the link above this video and you can check that one for the playlist of the crochet plants. Now let's go ahead by doing a magic ring. Insert your hook here, then make a chain and then add 4 single crochet inside the ring. Then pull the tail and then round 2 single crochet in each. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then you can flip this. Then for round 3, do a single crochet and then mark it, and then in the next chain increase, one, increase 2, and then in the next single crochet, and then in the last increase, so for a total of 6 single crochet. And then for round 4, repeat single crochet each for 6 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then after this round, remove the stitch marker, insert your hook in the first chain, then grab your light green yarn, okay, and make a slip stitch. Then chain 1, then single crochet right under, then mark it. In the next chain, do a increase, and then in the next chain single crochet, in the next chain increase, single crochet in the next, and increase. So you should have 9 single crochet starting from the stitch marker. Okay, 1, 9. Then you will slip stitch in that stitch marker, then make a chain and then do a single crochet under, then mark it and do a single crochet in each of the stitches for 9 single crochet. Okay, once you have a 9 single crochet stitches, you will notice there is a 2 chain left. Ignore that one because it is a slip stitch in a chain of 1. Then make a slip stitch on this stitch marker where you mark the first single crochet. Then we will change color to the dark yarn, this yarn, slip stitch. Then start a chain of 1 and single crochet each. Okay, so after this round you will just need to repeat a single crochet in each of the stitch until to the last stitch, last round of your stem. A repeat of a 9 single crochet stitches around until to this last round. You will need to make this long sides 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This one is 8 rounds of this light yarn and then 4 rounds of the dark yarn. And for the other you can make a shorter one. Okay, then once you're done with your last round, make a slip stitch and then cut off this dark yarn. Then leave a long tail on this light green yarn so we can sew this to the pot later. And then once done, you can fill with a stuffing, but not too much. Okay, for the recap, I made this 6 pieces, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then this onto that long one, 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So I made 8 rounds with this light yarn because we will place this one at the center, this long one right here. Then we will attach it. So grab your darning needle, then place the tail or this darning needle on that brown yarn. Okay, and then sew at the second round right here, and then on that brown yarn, just make sure you will attach it really well on the center. Then repeat on each on the side of this right here.